Yeah, there we go. Let's come out here. There we go. Get that fresh air. Handmade cheese, huh? Closing up shop early here. Yeah, some of these shops close up super early. It's not even 6 o'clock. Check this out. Getting a good smell of bread. Getting a real good smell of bread. Oh yeah. No, sorry, don't worry about it. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, mountains over there. I love you, Leah. You see this? See this, Leah, girl? It's beautiful. A lot of these shops close up real early. Surprised to see them close up so early. That was beautiful with the boat over there. Look at that boat. See that, Leah, girl? It's gorgeous. Bloody nose or something. Look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. Hey there. He said he loves Donald Trump and that he's glad he voted for him. I don't know what mountains those are, but those are beautiful over there. All right, Wanderers. I just wanted to show you around Pike Place Market here. I'm gonna go look for a coffee. No, there's gotta be a coffee shop I'm in. Guys, I got this right here though. I'll get this right there for somebody. This is the top selling brand here in Seattle. This one and another one called Billy Goat are the top two best selling coffees here in Seattle. Yeah. Got the guy over there playing with his saxophone over there. But anyway, that's that. Oh damn, I see a Somalian. But anyway, I'm gonna find a coffee shop. All right, you guys stay wondering. I wanted to show you this kick-ass view. Kick-ass view. Actually, let's get a little closer and take a picture of this right here. We're gonna crop out those cars. Yep. All right, stay wondering. We're gonna go find some coffee.